Shayad it's a wrong answer. It's also wrong answer. Okay, I'm going to explain. Both of you gave the wrong answer. So see, can you recognize this reaction? It is a name reaction, right? Can you tell me the name of this reaction? Yes or no? A Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Have you heard of this?
Yes, sir.
Riemer-Tiemann, very important reaction. When I was in class 12th, in my board paper, this question was there. Write a short notes on Riemer-Tiemann reaction. So see what happens, you know that this is your chloroform. This is your chloroform reacting with NaOH basic. So when they react with each other, there will be formation of this Cl. Basically, this is carbon anion. Now what will happen? This takes place in the presence of base. So basically this chlorine will also go, and here we get C, and this will be CHCl, which is known as dichlorocarbon. Dichlorocarbon it is. So we can write dichlorocarbon. And this is your dichlorocarbon, you can see. So you can see the answer will be like this. The answer will be C. If you want to see the whole mechanism after formation of this dichlorocarbon, what will happen? This, first of all, this OH, this phenol, basically, you can see initially we had phenol. So this phenol is going to react with NaOH. And you know, this is an acid, so it will remove. So it becomes O negative we can take. Here it is O negative. Now you can see O negative is there, and this dichlorocarbon, what will happen? This will go like this, and this bond, I'm going to show it like this. There will be attack on this. This is your carbon, chlorine. So basically this will attack on this. And then you can see oxygen and carbon will share a double bond. And this part is as it is. And this hydrogen, there was hydrogen, and there will be bond between this carbon and chlorine. You can see this attacked on that chlorine, that carbon, and we got this. After getting this, what you need to do? Very simple. So again, what will happen? This will go again at this place, and this will be like this. Hydrogen will be removed from here. So there will be double bond between that. You can see it becomes O negative again. It becomes O negative again, and there will be double bond. Let me show it clearly. Just wait a minute. There was a double bond, there is a double bond, and there is a double bond, and then this becomes CCl. And this hydrogen that we are talking about, this hydrogen, this bond comes here, but this hydrogen will be related to this carbon, so there will be hydrogen. Now after this, again this NaOH will be going to react with this, and this, what will happen here? Very simple. You can see O negative is there. So basically with the help of this, just wait a minute, hydrogen, what we can do is very simple. The bond was like this, and then the chlorine will be removed from here in the form of NaCl, and here there was carbon, and then there is two chlorine, in which one of the chlorine will be eliminated, and then there is chlorine. Na and one of the chlorine will be eliminated. That means only one chlorine will be there, and this OH will come here. Are you getting my point? That means basically NaOH has two parts, Na plus and OH minus. OH minus occupy with this carbon, chlorine will be removed, and this part has negative charge. Now what will happen? There will be double bond between these two. This will come like this and this will be removed. So you will finally get an aldehyde here. C double bond OH. And this will be negative charge will be occupied by H. So this is what you will get. So this is the simple mechanism of Rimmer-Tiemann reaction that you should take care, because it can be asked in 5 marks of your board, and this mechanism is very important for JEE. Please do write it. Let me know if you have any doubt regarding this.
Sir, can you explain once more?
Okay, maybe this is your hodgepodge, so maybe I should explain again. Just wait a minute. Let me show you. You haven't studied this. That's why I explained it in very fast.
No, sir, I studied, but I didn't get the concept.
Okay, no problem. So see, there was CHCl3. So can I write this CHCl3 like this? Chloroform this is.
Yes, sir.
This is your chloroform. Now when it is going to react with NaOH, now what will happen? Very simple. This hydrogen will be left in H positive way, in H positive. So carbon will have negative sign, yes or no? Because carbon took electron from hydrogen. Now what will happen? This chlorine will left this. Okay, when chlorine will left this, there will be positive charge because chlorine took the electron of carbon. So what I'm going to do? Chlorine, chlorine, and there will be 2 electron that will be left with carbon. Okay, now after this, we are going to, this is the reagent that we use. After this, we are going to see about the reactant, that is your phenol. So phenol, you can see this is your phenol. Now what will happen? A phenol is also going to react with this NaOH. Now you know that phenol is acidic, so this hydrogen will be removed and it will give H2O. So it will be like this, O negative. Are you getting my point? With O negative, Na plus will be there.
Yes, sir.
But we are going to write this phenoxide ion. Okay. After this, what will happen? This dichlorocarbon that formed, the dichlorocarbon is here, which is formed with the interaction with the reagent, will come into play. Now this has like this structure. So you can see it will react with each other. How it will react? So very simple it is. This is in conjugation, so there will be resonance. Like this oxygen and carbon will have double bond. Now this carbon, if it is going to form double bond, there will be a pentavalency of carbon, which is not possible. So this carbon will be attacking on this chlorine and this double bond will be broken, so that there will be formation of double bond between oxygen and carbon easily. So you can see this, what will happen. This is the scenario, double bond O, and you can see this carbon attacked on this carbon. So there will be carbon, there is 2 chlorine, and this is, I have written it wrong. There will be no double bond left, and there is 1 hydrogen. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now, the most important point is that there is a negative charge on this. Because of this electron, there is a negative charge. Now, what will happen? Since here you can see it is aromatic, but after attacking by this, the aromaticity lost. So it again gained the aromaticity in order to stabilize itself. The bond between carbon-carbon is going to be double here. The bond between carbon-carbon is going to be double here. So in order to gain aromaticity again, this has to move again back to this point. And you know what will happen? And this negative charge will be attacking on hydrogen. So what will happen here? Very simple. First of all, I'm going to show you the bond between carbon oxygen. Now it becomes single. Now there was double bond, there was double bond, and this is moving to become double bond or gain the aromaticity again. And now this is your carbon which has two chlorine already, and this hydrogen will be attaching with this carbon. Got it, Arif?
Yes, sir.
Now, after this, KOH again, NaOH again come into play. Now, what will happen? Again, 2 or 3 arrows move. Basically, here, can I write like this? Just wait a minute. After attacking this, 2Cl, one hydrogen is there, and O negative is there. Now, when it will react with NaOH again, now this becomes like this. O negative is there. Okay, O negative is there. And here double bond, double bond, double bond. And you know that this is positive, this is negative. So I can take this negative and this positive. So you can easily see that this negative will be attacking on carbon and this positive will be attacking on this. So what will be the product now for this two? One chlorine will be going with NaCl as a byproduct, and one chlorine will be left hydrogen, and this OH is attacking on carbon. So this will be like this OH. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, after this, very simple it is. Arrow again, I'm going to move the arrow. First of all, this chlorine will be lost. When chlorine will be lost, and this hydrogen oxygen will be broken, and there will be double bond between carbon and oxygen, and this hydrogen will go with this oxygen. So how I'm going to write, you can see the ring will be as it is. Now you can see this moves to this, so it will be double bond O, and you can see hydrogen is coming with, oh, just wait a minute. It will be single bond. Hydrogen is coming with oxygen, so it becomes phenol. And here you can see between carbon and oxygen, there will be double bond because hydrogen goes with that oxygen and chlorine also left it. So it becomes this salicylaldehyde, if you remember the name. Chavez, Shahid, and Madhya. Have you got it? This is basically the mechanism. I think it is not in NCERT, right? Please do write it. Let me know. The mechanism is important for your JEE mains, and might be in board exams they can ask. Let me know when you are done with this. Sir, can you show the question? Yes, I'm going to show you the question. Basically, they asked you about the intermediate. This is the reaction, Remer-Tiemann reaction. The electrophile involved in the electrophile in this involved is that is dichlorocarbon. This is the answer, dichlorocarbon. You can see this is your dichlorocarbon. Then can I change this screen? Arif, Shahid, and
Yes,
everyone.
sir.
Okay. Now have you got it, Arif?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, please. No, option B is the wrong answer. This is haloform reaction. I'm going to give you hints. Haloform reaction is shown by the group like this or the group like this. If it is alcohol, it should be like this. That means methyl alcohol you can see or methyl ketone you can see. So this will be shown by the group which has methyl and on adjacent carbon there will be alcohol. Since there is no ketone, we haven't studied, so we will not talk about that. Ketone, so you can see CH3 is there and OH is there. That's why this is the answer. Very good, both of you. Please do this question. Everyone done with this question number 26. Very good. And 28 is the answer. That is Shahid C. That is correct. Tarif C. That is correct. And Savage also C. Correct. Sir, it's iodoform test. Yes, yes, it is iodoform test. Question number 26. Madhya, there is no answer from you. Please do this question. Question number 30, I already explained with the help of Remer-Timmer reaction. Reaction of phenol with chloroform in presence of dilute sodium hydroxide finally introduces which one of the following functional group? So it's very good. Option B is wrong answer, Shahid. And Madiha 30B is the wrong answer. Both of you, the B is wrong. Yes, that's correct answer, Shahid. You always give me first the wrong answer, then right answer. So please be careful about your concept because it will give you negative marking only. Very good. So you can see this is phenol again reaction. Basically, this is your what? What we say. This is your Remer-Timmer reaction. This is your phenol reacting with chloroform in the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide. Finally introduces which group? Aldehyde, it introduces salicylaldehyde. So this will be the scenario. Okay. Next. Question number 31, please. Very easy question it is. Very good, Tharif. Very good. Very good, Madhya. There will be hydride shift. Carbocation formation will take place. Any answer, Shahid and Savage? So see, very simple it is. When OH will be removed here, it will be basically like this. There is formation of carbocation. There is hydrogen, so we can easily do the hydride shift. Very good, Shahid. Hydride shift will be there, and the formation of carbocation will be here, and then the bond will be like this. The double bond will be like this. So this will be the major product. Minor product will also be there in the form of this and also in the form of this, but the major product is your B. Oh, sorry. Which of the following is not the product of dehydration? Dehydration. Okay. So simple it is. If you're going to remove it, there will be like this. Formation of carbocation is this. So if you're thinking about shift, hydride or methyl shift, basically hydride shift will be there. So if you're going to shift on the right hand side, it becomes 2 degrees. So we cannot move towards 2 degree because it is less stable. And if you are going to move towards left hand side, so it will be 3 degree and it is already 3 degree. Only the shifting will take place only when you are moving towards more stable. So this is also 3 degree on the left and it is already on 3 degree. So that's why it will not move. So the product is basically what will be the product? Just wait a minute. Yes, what will be the product? I'm going to show you. The product will be very simple. First of all, wherever the bond is, carbocation, this will be like this. The first product that will be this will be the product. The double bond can be on the right hand side. Let me draw it. It will be like this. So the product can also be like also be this, and the double bond can also be on the left hand side of carbocation like this. So this will be the only the product which is not. So this is not the product. Got it, all of you? Savage, Savage, are you there? Please do this question. Very good, Shahid. It's the right answer. 32 question number, right answer you have given. Any answer from any one of you? Madhya, very good. 33 is the good answer. Correct answer. 33 Madhya, that Madhya Irfan given correct answer. Mohammad Tarif, you have also given correct answer. Tarif, the 32 is also correct answer. Shahid and Shahid, please give me about the please give the answer of question number 33. And Madhya Irfan. Shahwiz, are you there? You're not responding at all. Very good. Shahwiz, if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. Can I change the slide? So only two options given here. I'm going to give another two options. I'll just wait a minute. This is the another two options. Just wait a minute. I'm going to put it here. How is this? Sir, can you show question number 33? Yes, yes. This is your question number 33. Please do let me know, Shahid, when you are done with this. Very good, Shahid. Let me know when you're done with this. Any answer? Madiha, Tharif, Shahid, and Savage. Any answer? Shahid, it's the wrong answer. The answer will be your C. I'm going to explain. Very simple it is. Phenol is distilled with zinc dust. So what will happen, you know that when zinc react with phenol, it will reduce, sorry, it will oxidize. OH is there. So when it react with zinc and heat will be there, so it will be like this. Oxidation will take place. It converts into benzene. After benzene, followed by Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Alkylation, that means alkyl group will be added. Alkylation, that means AlCl3 we can take. Very good. Who is this? Chavez, very good. So what I'm going to do, an alkylation, just let me read this. It will be alkylation with propyl chloride in presence of AlCl3. That means AlCl3 is reacting with propyl chloride, CH3, CH2, CH2Cl. So what you will get simple alkyl group will be added. So I'm going to add in this manner CH3, CH2, CH3. And after this, you can see what you need to do. You are going to react this with O2. So what will happen? This hydrogen will be eliminated and it will form like this. C and 2CH3 is there. And both the oxygen will be like this. So what will be the answer? D. Please do write it. and do this question. Let me know when you are done with this.
There will be two options for this.
Everyone done with this?
Sir, will there be two options for this question?
What did you say?
Sir, will there be two options for this question?
Oh, wait a minute. Correct answer is C, not D. Okay, OH, how can
Okay,
you
sir.
introduce OH? Are you done with this? Very good, all of you. Please do this last question. Please do this. Very good, Shravej. Any answer? Everyone has given the correct answer. So please do revise this again up to ether, complete ether. Is there any doubt that you want to ask? Yes or no? Please do respond.
No, sir.
Okay, just wait a minute. No, sir. No, sir. Okay, please do this question as well. Based on acidic character, do it. Shahid, very good. Very good, Shahid.